Language does matter. You know, with transgender people joke a lot. They're like, oh, they want to be called them. Yeah. He and she is made up too, you stupid bitch. You know what I mean? But the thing is words have power. Words have power. If you don't believe it, date someone who calls you dummy. You know what I mean? Oh, they're just sounds from a mammal. No, they're not. They're spells. We're casting spells on each other. I do this on stage as a stand-up sometimes. I point to someone in the front row, I go, that's a great shirt. You made a great choice of that shirt. And you can see, even though they know I'm just kind of joking around or making a point, it works. Why do we say have a great weekend? That's just a spell. You're just going like, I have no control over your weekend, but words matter. They change our interior world. Have a great weekend. And I'm like, oh, it's not literal. I'm not like, I'm thinking about your weekend. You got laid. Text me the word finance. That's how I'll know you had a good weekend. So I think words do matter. I think because I like unitive consciousness, which is not that trippy of an idea. Science agrees. The theory of the Big Bang is obviously the singularity. At one point, all of this was one thing. It was this impossibly dense speck of mass, basically, that contained everything. It contained this lighting thing, and the camera, and me, and my hair, and my balls. It was all in there. The mystic, me, I just think that singularity is worthy of a metaphor. It's worthy of a story or a symbol system, so that I can not just know it, but feel it and experience it, right? Both the mystic and the scientists agree. Both are just theories, that everything at one point was one. So when it comes to like being called a pronoun, sometimes I like to call other people me. I go like, oh, these me's voted for Trump. This me is begging for change. This me is driving me to the airport. I find that useful. Instead of going like, because it's so pleasant to go like you. I think it's overwhelming to love. I don't think hate is actually hate. I think it's too overwhelming to love. So we call groups like, it's hard to pick an example because they all sound so hateful. But if somebody like hates left-handed people, right? I think it's because it can be too overwhelming to love that group that you call left-handed people. Because if you love them, now you have to worry about them and you have to care about them. So we get overwhelmed in our heads. So we go, oh, a group died, but they were gang members? Okay, gang members up here, I don't love them. They can die. So this is what we do. So it's helpful sometimes in our language to go like, no, those me's are in a gang. You know what I mean? That's a way that language can, it's very trippy, and I don't expect everybody to sort of like sign on and start doing that. But I do it privately, especially if anybody's serving you or helping you, or you think you're like, oh, this is the flight attendant. No, this me just brought me a Sprite. Thank you. That me's doing great. Looks nice. It's just a nice way to kind of increase compassion. Instead of going, this flight attendant, look, that's a label we made so we feel okay about yelling at them that there should be more overhead space. Now that me is doing my best. But I don't know how I got on that. Who cares? I don't know if you're going to get it. Take some mushrooms and watch this video again.